Large format laser marking in continuous operation. No stitching, no interruptions. Seamless high precision marking. Designed for large workpieces and mass production. Smooth motion plus stable laser performance. Deliver consistent results. Servo motor driven XYZ axis. Flexible positioning for different applications. Automatic sliding table movement. Enables continuous marking process. Ideal for large metal parts, plates, panels and industrial components. High-speed galvo scanner plus precision motion system. Expand your marking areas beyond traditional limits. Perfect solution for large format laser engraving and marking. Customized sizes available according to your production needs. Need a custom large format laser marking solution? Contact Hitec Laser.